Today we are looking at the 2018 Volkswagen Golf R in Oryx White Pearl. This car is powered by a 2.0-liter TSI engine paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front row. The interior is finished in jet black. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, volume control, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for high beams and windshield wipers, as well as your digital gauge cluster. Here, you'll find the controls for your headlights. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver and passenger seats. As we jump inside, we can take a look in the center of the dash at the media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with Bluetooth, radio, and built-in navigation. Below, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as your settings for heated seats in the front row. The center column features your engine start-stop button, gear shifter, and drive mode selector. The center console offers room for storage. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we'll highlight are these bright front headlights. Below, the Golf R sits on 18-inch Braylon wheels. Along the exterior, you'll notice R branding as well as black mirrors. As we head to the back, we can take a look at this quad exhaust system as well as the cargo area. Here, you'll find a lot of cargo space and a cover to ensure your belongings are stowed away safely and carefully. As we jump into the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, climate control fans, and pull-down cup holders. These seats are split in a 60-40 fashion, and a manual release can be found on both sides to lower the seats and extend your cargo room. And that is the 2018 Volkswagen Golf R in Oryx White Pearl, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.